Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right area scheme, gross, net, or a custom type, because Revit calculates per scheme. Once done, open or create an area plan linked to that scheme and make sure linked levels match. Next, draw or validate area boundary lines around zones, or convert room separation lines to area boundaries. This defines how Revit measures. Do this now so all subsequent area tags and schedules reference the same source. Now you place areas using the Area tool. Click inside each defined boundary and watch the numeric value appear. This is how Revit records area. Then add area tags to make values visible on the plan. Choose square feet or square meters depending on project standards, and edit the tag family if you need different label fields. If walls or openings cause partial areas, adjust the boundary lines or use split areas to ensure accurate totals for schedules. Finish by generating an area schedule. Pick area category, add fields like area, area scheme, level, and area type so totals calculate. Once created, apply filters or grouping to sum by floor or use type, and add calculated fields for net to gross percentages if required. Make sure to update views and rerun the schedule after edits. If numbers seem off, check boundaries and scheme assignment first. That single mismatch is the most common error and fixes most discrepancies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.